Woman charged after fatal stabbing in St. Andrew. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Kingston Central Police have charged a woman with the murder of 31-year-old Kean Boyd, who died after being stabbed during an altercation on Princess Street in Kingston. Charges Tamika Lewis, age 42, of Greenville Road, 9 Mile Bull Bay in St. Andrew. According to the police report, Lewis and Boyd had been involved in a number of conflicts about a shared partner. According to authorities, about 1 p.m. on Friday, both women ran into each other along Princess Street and got into an altercation. During the altercation, Lewis was stabbed by Boyd in the chest with a scissors. Boyd was transported to the hospital where she succumbed to her injuries. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.